Another great trade with the Forex Trendy, high quality signal, and another profit for us. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I select the best trades and how I get the best signals on the Forex market. And I know that many of you, ladies and gentlemen, are losing money on the Forex market because you don't have the right strategies to operate on this complex market. Okay, but the rule number one is that trend is your friend, and for this reason I'm gonna show you one of my favorite online tools that works on trendy markets and spots chart patterns, continuation patterns. I want to introduce you to Forex Trendy, the Forex Trend Scanner. You will find 34 Forex pairs and the best trends, okay, that are happening on the Forex market. You will receive your signals on your email or your mobile phone, or directly on the screen of your computer if you leave the website open. So let me show you. For example, here we are on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, you will find all the time frames for all your styles. Okay, if you are a scalper or a swing trader or whatever, so you will find the 1 minute time frame, the monthly, the weekly, the hourly, 4 hour, and so on. So we are on the British pound and the USD cross to the minimum time frame. We have a downtrend. Okay, this amazing software is able to scan trends. The pattern is a flag. We have a sell signal. Okay, as you can see here, the trend lines are very good because they got more than 3 touching points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Same thing down here. Below the chart you will find the Fibonacci targets. I know that many of you guys are not familiar or comfortable with the extensions, so you will find the suggestions for your take profit targets. Okay. The break at 1.2294 going down to 1.2206. So easily reaching the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. Okay. If you make things simple, then you will trade better. Okay. Don't complicate your trading. Let's jump to another pair. The Australian dollar and the USD. Pattern is a triangle. Break at 0.6748 going down to 0.6673, so easily reaching the 1.618 and going even farther. Okay. So another very good profitable trade. Let's suppose you select your you put your target at 1.618, so you got 30 pips or more. Okay. We got another signal on the Australian dollar and the USD. Break at 0.6754. Going down to 0.6672. And yeah, we are. We got another profitable trade for 80 pips, more or less. Okay, I don't have my calculator, okay, to give you the exact number, but as you can see. So a little disclaimer: of course, you are not gonna win all the trades, okay? Because I would be scammy if I come and tell you, hey guys, use this software because you are gonna win all the trades, all the signals are good, and you're gonna get rich tomorrow, okay? But I think that this is the very starting point, okay, to build a solid system. And you should trade with continuation patterns, okay, but you should use a strategy, back testing it before using it, okay, and then you'll be fine. Always protect your trades with stop loss. Don't put the stop loss just below the trend line, below the breakout, because you are gonna eject it often, as you can see with a few pullbacks. For example, I will put my stop loss just above this point, but I have my own strategies, and that's it. Make it simple, guys. Let's jump to the hourly time frame. The Singapore dollar and the yen. We have a downtrend. The pattern is a rising wedge. Sell signal. Break at 78.09. Going down to 77.34. So it easily reached the 1.272 Fibonacci extension for 63 pips, more or less. Okay. I would like to show you all the charts here, but the video will will become too long, and it's not a good thing. I don't want to annoy you guys, okay? The Australian dollar and the yen, the hourly rising wedge. We have a sell signal, okay, the breakout at 72.78, going down to 71.73. So hitting easily the 1.618 Fibonacci target. 80 pips back into your account. The Australian dollar and the USD break at 0.6748. We have a triangle. You know, we got a downtrend. The price reached the 0.6673. Hitting again the golden ratio. New Zealand dollar and the yen, 1 hour time frame, we have a rising wedge. Look at these trend lines, 4 touching point, 3 touching points. And another thing you should look at is the momentum, okay, of the trend and the momentum of the pattern. If the momentum is stronger than the pattern one, then it's a good signal. If not, it's not a good one. Okay, it's not very reliable. You will have to filter some signal, just taking a look at the overall picture and see if it's good or not. But you will receive many advices from Forex Trendy, because they are gonna email you lessons every week, so you will learn how to filter signals, even though you don't really need to. And I'll show you how to get only high quality signals. I have a medium reliability, but there is also a high and highest reliability mode. Okay, so I'm trading with a lot of signals. We got a rising wedge, a break at 67.70. We had a little pullback, and the price went down to 66.92. And it got close to 1.272. So as you can see, you will find many opportunities, even if you place if you put different take profits, because there are traders that usually put different take profit levels. It's possible, of course. It depends on your money management rules. Mm-hmm. The New Zealand and the USD 1 hour time frame, another rising wedge. The trend looks very strong. As you can see here, it looks like the market is breathing a little bit, taking a break at 0.6281, no 80, okay, and going down to 0.6208, 72 pips. Hitting easily the 1.272 Fibonacci target. Okay, you got many ways to take profit. Okay, the Australian dollar and the Canadian one, we have a triangle. No pullback in this situation. Okay, but you shouldn't place your stop loss just below this trend line, because I told you before, often the price will test again the trend line or come back and then go the direction it should go. And the break happened at 0.8981, going down to 0.8836. Reaching easily the 1.618 and going even farther to the so another very good trade. Okay, suppose you put your stop loss, your take profit here at 0.8931. You got 50 pips. Okay, so that's it, guys. It's a very simple method, a very reliable software. To select your trading mode, you will click on settings. You will find this page, trends and patterns. As you can see here, you find Forex pairs. You got 34 Forex pairs, the common one plus the exotic, and 3 commodities: gold, silver, and oil. Time frames, I'm using the 30 minutes, hourly, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. I'm not a fan of scalping because I think it's stressing, but I know traders that are very good with scalping, and you can select the reliability on operating with a medium reliability. I'm sorry, but if you go on lowest, you will receive a lot of signals, and if you click on highest, you will receive very few signals, but you will be safer. Okay, even though the safe word doesn't exist on trading. Okay, on Forex market. Another good thing I want to show you is the trends section, because if you are a trend following trader, okay, because there are guys that don't like to follow trends. I know traders that usually trade when the market is not trending. They are using harmonic patterns and other strategies. Okay, so if you click here on trends, you will find the best trending pairs or commodities with the drawdown below 14%. For example, we have a drawdown of 13.2%, and all the drawdowns and uptrend or downtrends on the higher time frames. Okay, so let's suppose I want to follow this trend. I want to enter, and on my 5-minute time frame, I will look at the higher time frames. So I know that on the 15-minute time frame I have an uptrend, on the 30-minute too, on the hourly again, but on the 4-hour I got a downtrend, and so on. Those numbers that you see next to the time frame and the arrow is the drawdown. So taking it in account, bear in mind. And as you scroll down, you will see that the drawdown will grow. Today is a very good day, apparently. The drawdown are very small. You can select the alert you want to receive. Alert me when trend drawdown falls below 15%, or I don't know, 25. It depends on your trading strategy. I use 15%. I'm copy the big corporation banks strategy. I'm joking. Yeah. And if you go here, you will find the alerts section, email alerts, send email, or you can use SMS. You can get this amazing Forex Trend scanner clicking on the link below the video. And if you're looking this video on my website, forexexpert.net, then you can click on the link below or on the image you will find inside the page. Okay, you will land on this page. This is their home page for guests. They will show you why you should trade with trends, because remember, trend is your friend. They show you how it works inside the member area, and you will receive a very interesting ebook explanatory about trends and trend following, chart patterns, and so on. You click here on that cart. It costs only $36 for 3 months, $3 a week, 60 cents per day. You got 60-day money back guarantee. And guys, I hope you like the video. Push the like button, subscribe to my channel. I will upload more content. I'm a big fan of copy trading, and I will show you why. For today is everything. Greetings, have a good trading day, and bye bye.